5 exercises. Lion strength. That's what you're getting today. A male lion can take down prey that weighs over 1,000 pounds. They can leap 36 feet in a single bound. They can drag a 500-pound zebra up into a tree. So how is this even possible? Lions use short bursts of incredible explosive power. They're built for maximum force in minimum time. When they attack, every muscle fires at once with devastating speed and strength. These 5 exercises will give you the kind of functional strength that translates to real life. Watch a lion hunt. They don't just run in a straight line, they change direction instantly. They accelerate from 0 to 50 miles per hour in just a few seconds. That explosive power comes from their legs, but more importantly, from their hips and core. Every movement starts with their hips driving forward. Their core transfers that power through their entire body. We have the same potential, we just need to train the right way. So here's exercise number 1, jump squats. This movement builds the kind of explosive leg power that lions use when they pounce. Start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower yourself into a squat by pushing your hips back and bending your knees. Go down until your thighs are about parallel to the ground. Keep your chest up and your weight on your heels. Now here's where it gets interesting. From the bottom of that squat, explode upward as hard as you can. Jump as high as possible. Swing your arms up to help generate momentum. When you land, absorb the impact by immediately going back into the squat position. That's 1 rep. Do 3 sets of 8 to 10 jumps. This exercise does something most gym equipment can't. It teaches your body to produce maximum force in minimum time. That's power. Scientists studied athletes and found that people who added jump squats to their routine increased their vertical jump by an average of 20% in just 6 weeks. But more importantly for everyday life, they also improved their balance and reduced their risk of falls. As we age, maintaining explosive power in our legs becomes crucial for injury prevention. It's not just about being strong, it's about being able to react quickly when you trip or need to catch yourself. Now, have you ever watched a lion rest? They're not just lying there doing nothing. Even when they look relaxed, their muscles are engaged. They're always ready to spring into action. That constant low-level tension builds incredible core strength. Their midsection is like a steel cable connecting their upper and lower body. When they strike, that core transfers every ounce of power from their legs to their claws. Here's an exercise that builds that same kind of core strength, the plank to push-up. This movement forces your entire midsection to stabilize while your arms work. Start in a forearm plank position. Your elbows should be directly under your shoulders. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Keep your core tight. Don't let your hips sag or pike up. From this position, press up onto your right hand, then your left hand, moving into a full push-up position. Then lower back down onto your right forearm. Then your left forearm. That's 1 rep. Do 3 sets of 6 to 8 reps, alternating which arm you lead with. This exercise builds core stability like almost nothing else. Your abs have to work constantly to keep your body from rotating. Your lower back muscles engage to maintain that straight line. Your shoulders and chest get stronger from the pushing motion. It's a complete upper body and core workout in one movement. Plus, it improves your ability to maintain good posture throughout the day, which can help reduce lower back pain. Most people sit way too much and their core muscles become weak and inactive. This exercise wakes them back up. But besides a lion's explosive power and core strength, you know what else sets them apart? Their grip. A lion's bite force measures over 650 pounds per square inch. That's enough to crush bone. But it's not just their jaw. Their paws can grip with incredible force too. When they grab onto prey, nothing escapes. That grip strength comes from constant use. They're climbing, digging, and holding onto things every single day. For us, grip strength is one of the most important predictors of overall health and longevity. Studies show that people with stronger grip strength live longer and maintain their independence as they age. Weak grip correlates with increased risk of heart disease, reduced mobility, and even cognitive decline. The good news is that grip strength is easy to build if you know what to do. The exercise for this is the dead hang. Find a pull-up bar or any sturdy overhead bar, jump up and grab it with both hands. Your palms can face away from you or toward you, whichever feels more comfortable. Now just hang there. Keep your shoulders engaged. Don't let them completely relax and shrug up by your ears. Your body should be straight, your feet can be together or slightly apart. Hold this position for as long as you can. When you're starting out, even 10 seconds is good. Rest for 2 minutes, then do it again. Aim for 3 hangs total. This simple exercise builds crushing grip strength, but it also decompresses your spine, which feels amazing if you deal with back pain or stiffness. It stretches your lats and shoulders, improving your overhead mobility. And it strengthens all the small muscles in your hands and forearms that most people never train. Start with whatever time you can hold. If you can only hang for 5 seconds, that's your starting point. Every week, try to add just 2 to 3 seconds. Progress slowly but consistently. Within a few months, you'll be hanging for 60 seconds or more, and your grip will be noticeably stronger in everything you do. Now, let's talk about something interesting. A lion doesn't have big legs because they do leg curls at the gym. Their legs are powerful because they spend hours in positions that build strength through time under tension. When they're stalking prey, they move in a low crouch. Their legs are constantly loaded, working to support their body weight in that awkward position. That sustained tension builds incredible strength and endurance. We can replicate this with an exercise called the wall sit. This might sound too simple to be effective, but trust me, 60 seconds in a wall sit will change your mind. Find a clear wall, stand with your back against it. Walk your feet out about 2 feet from the wall. Now slide down the wall until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Your knees should be at a 90-degree angle. Your back should be flat against the wall. Cross your arms over your chest or keep them at your sides. Now hold this position. Don't let your hips rise up. Keep your weight evenly distributed on both legs. Breathe normally, don't hold your breath. The first 20 seconds feel easy, then it starts to burn. That burn is your muscles working without any rest. This builds muscular endurance, which is different from strength. Endurance means your muscles can keep working over time without fatiguing. That's crucial for daily activities, carrying groceries from the car, playing with your kids or grandkids, working in the yard. All of these require sustained effort, not just one max lift. Wall sits build that endurance while also strengthening your knees and improving hip mobility. Start by holding for 30 seconds. Rest 2 minutes. Do 3 total holds. Each week, add 5 to 10 seconds. Your goal is to work up to 2 minutes straight. When you can do that, your leg endurance will be exceptional. Before we get to the last exercise, let me tell you about something that's helped thousands of people over 40 build real strength and move without pain. It's an ebook I created called Reboot Your Body. Inside, you'll find proven strategies for reducing joint pain, improving flexibility, and developing the kind of strength that actually matters in daily life. It's designed for people who want results without spending hours in the gym or dealing with complicated routines. If you're serious about feeling younger and moving better, check out the link in the description below. No pressure, it's there if you need it. Back to lion strength. You ever see a lion stand up on their hind legs? They can rear up and strike with their front paws while balancing on just their back legs. That requires incredible balance, coordination, and single leg strength. Most humans can barely stand on one leg for 30 seconds without wobbling all over the place. That imbalance leads to injuries, especially as we get older. When one leg is significantly weaker than the other, you compensate with bad movement patterns. That compensation causes knee pain, hip pain, and lower back pain. The exercise that fixes this is the single leg Romanian deadlift. This movement builds balance, strengthens your entire posterior chain, and corrects strength imbalances between your legs. Stand on your right leg with a slight bend in your knee. You can hold a dumbbell or kettlebell in your left hand, or start with just your body weight. Keep your back straight. Now hinge forward at your hips while extending your left leg straight behind you. Your left leg and your torso should form a straight line parallel to the ground. You'll feel a stretch in your right hamstring. That's good. Go as far as you can while maintaining balance and a straight back. Then drive through your right heel to return to standing. Squeeze your glute at the top. That's 1 rep. Do 3 sets of 8 reps per leg. This exercise is challenging. You'll probably wobble at first. That's normal. Your stabilizer muscles are waking up. Those small muscles around your ankles, knees, and hips have been asleep for years if you only do bilateral movements. Single leg work forces them to activate. Over time, your balance improves dramatically. Your coordination gets better, and you build functional strength that transfers to real-world movements like walking on uneven ground or climbing stairs. Plus, this exercise is excellent for improving hip mobility and reducing lower back pain. If you have trouble balancing, hold on to something light with your free hand at first. As you get stronger, use less and less support until you can do it freestanding. Now that you know all 5 exercises, here's exactly how to structure your training. You're working out 3 days per week. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday works well. Or Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Whatever fits your schedule. The key is having at least 1 rest day between sessions. That's when your body actually gets stronger. Monday is power and core day. Start with jump squats. 3 sets of 8 to 10 jumps. Rest 2 minutes between sets. Your legs need full recovery to maintain explosive power. Then move to plank to push-ups. 3 sets of 6 to 8 reps. Rest 90 seconds between sets. Finish with dead hangs. 3 hangs for maximum time. Rest 2 minutes between hangs. This combination builds explosive power while strengthening your core and grip. Wednesday is endurance day. Wall sits come first. 3 holds, starting at 30 seconds each. Rest 2 minutes between holds. If you can already hold for a minute, start there. Then single leg Romanian deadlifts. 3 sets of 8 reps per leg. Rest 1 minute between legs. End with another round of dead hangs. 3 more hangs for time. Your grip will be tested, but that's how it gets stronger. Friday is integration day. You're putting everything together. Jump squats again, 4 sets of 8 this time. Try to jump higher than Monday. Plank to push-ups. 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps. Focus on perfect form. Wall sits, 3 holds. Try to add 5 to 10 seconds from Wednesday. Single leg Romanian deadlifts. 4 sets of 8 per leg. Add a light weight if body weight feels easy. Finish with dead hangs. Just 2 hangs for maximum time. Here's the most important rule. Progress slowly. Don't try to do too much too fast. That's how you get injured. Start lighter, easier, and shorter than you think you should. Add a little bit each week. Small improvements compound over time. In 12 weeks, you'll look back and be amazed at how much stronger you've become. That's lion strength. Not about ego. Not about looking good, about building real functional power that serves you in daily life. Strength that lets you move confidently. Strength that prevents injuries. Strength that keeps you independent as you age. That's what these 5 exercises deliver.